Hi, my name is Cristiana Nogueira and I am a Brazilian visual artist. I have been working with performance art for some years, focusing on how women are represented in Western society and the violence they face. One motivation for this project was the rise of conservatism and the far right in Brazil and globally. The notion that women must fit in the predefined roles, such as housewife, prostitute, or saint, has always disturbed me. The artwork shows a woman in lingerie looking powerful in a domestic setting. Despite wearing head lingerie and high heels, there are subtle disruptions. A cowl mask, a hairy leg, a non-standard body, and hints of sadomasochism using household objects. With this work, I am to create friction with some of the stereotypes that many women contend with. I believe real women transcend the categories imposed by a patriarchal society that tries to define their roles. Maybe the notion of a real woman lies more in pushing boundaries.